I don't know where.
I think
that I've shared my opinion on this Chelsea project. And Mark said their problem the owners any the umbeso as against the Chelsea team almost supporters no fall in love with. Inti now the last message now we did, you can't in any way put Chelsea as a mid-table project and say a mid-table project and can appreciate. No, Chelsea a top team. And what targets now is to play for the top competitions. I don't know for me now for me Chelsea fans, but me Chelsea now will not celebrate winning Conference League. I will not even be proud of it. Say a part of a success story of Blueco. See a Kobo Conference League near G. Conference League Chelsea. It should be wiped out of our history. I was never proud when Barcelona were playing in Europa. Never.
I never stand that now.
That be you feel Europa. You man ain't for you. Why you want us to win Europa? Europa is the your standard is to be competing at the Champions League level. So we are top club. Oko Champions League, we film quarterfinals, semi-finals consistently. That is where you belong. It is better than say boy in the Europa League or winning the Conference League. You should be in the Champions League. I had there one club and they be about the Champions League, but you should be there competing for it every season. That makes you a big club. Look. For someone like me, me pese Arsenal edge this season Premier League, you know. Rich, na me bomb pa say Man City in Southampton in the FA Cup. Me simple reason and say, there should be something a cup Premier League no more to also serve as a distraction to them.
So doing Premier League no FA Cup.
You get it. Senior Arsenal, a boy in the Champions League, a what the potential say, a bemo Adjina Yemunu with the Premier League. Some people also see this so. I also more FA Cup in him. Until when Southampton scored the first goal, super goal.
Whatever.
I still knew, and now me bomb by sitting take no more shine. Look. There is something about Pep probably people really underrate. Pep is known for tactics. Pep is known for someone all dominating. But Rich, bon compare correct why you now want to carry as a coach. There is no way you can take mentality out of it too. The mentality. And then the mentality of the team, no. To be able to sustain success, you need elite mentality to do that. And say offer Pep, the story na okay. The moment you want to pay attention to details, you will know. Say there are some situations be a Pep team akomwa. They've come out of it. And excel the elite mentality of Pep war. Look, this season in the FA Cup, situation now, Southampton, Eddie City come. Only the other clubs they couldn't survive, but City came back,
including Arsenal.
Yes,
which Arsenal?
Yes, City came back. Forget about the deflection in the Doku, go no say no. But if you don't shoot, you don't score. And look at the goal Nico Gonzalez shares. Super tender boots. And see, yes, they were tipped some beshe, but Sunny FA Cup in Suban City, it became a difficult game. They had to find the win so deep, and they did. Rich, say a tidy your local football in Koma. Impe and Nazia could be by just a yanka wasam. Impempi. Say head coach be free club bimuko. Now say Edumane be one of the assistants now so. Na some of the immediate decisions quite the opposite of the head coach there. Conspiracy theory D any trigger the emotions of people in the analysis. Now I told them it can be without evidence, you know. We've always come to believe, oh, assistant for no me chukusisia.
Jezabon. I hope I can conserve for assistant coaches.
What team nima we
no,
this is bia. No na machire no catch nkofo enye rich. When I was watching Chelsea a game no my boy against Leeds, you know. The picture I got and I say Liam a coach Urbano or there's some trusted backroom staff if you Strasbourg buy Khalifa Kahon, Justin Walker Kahon, and I think he also brought Ben. Then the system at Chelsea gave him Callum McFarlane. They gave him the goalkeeper's trainer in Ben Roberts and Omode Bernardo Cueva as set pieces coach Ekano. Now Callum was not part of Omwa Liam Di Omobaye. He was the sister and Omode didn't join him. Rich. I will be any myself the kind of in Tawantawa Beto Liam any Enzo Fernandez in Tem. Emma stripping off the captaincy. And a man with some matches ban. Doesn't it look interesting to you, say? Liam Okoye, the first game I was at Chelsea ball under McFarlane. Then he reinstates Enzo Fernandez
as the captain.
The captaincy. Bench Kopama and played him as number 10. And he scored the only goal of the game. And Oshe, not just Enzo. Oshe players now from on that day. It was as if they had something to fight for.
Yeah. Chelsea players maybe see a press Leeds for no because you say Mpempi Leeds for no move press you.
Yes.
But rather than obi away again biano. You are not Chelsea for this press Leeds for the jiboni from Mozabo.
You see, apart from the press, the general attitude of the Chelsea team super. Yes. Look at how aggressive they were defending. So many ball now. So disciplined. Look, maybe I know who expects Chelsea especially is better 2-3. No. Beside the 1-0 win now, which is a narrow win, no. The total so now winning maybe a Chelsea free bar. And the kind of order to 2 Leeds game no. But you say this is a very, very good performance from the team itself. The team, the players on the pitch. So tactically disciplined. There was some agency in what they were doing. I said, and Nibremi tied on my energy. Let me say, wow. This issue of player power, I was here when you can hear. And look at Enzo Fernandez himself. Player and be also in Madrid. You strip off your daughter bench. Anytime I come, I better also in the stands because I am foul. Subsequently, you have been asked in the media, so you walk up in the bar, I will take my decision. And the impression Enzo created a time and Liam was that he was just waiting for a time to leave. But which game no boy against Leeds, you know, doesn't correspond with the impression. Say this is a guy who is probably on his way to leave Chelsea. And I was like, wow. But that was a very, very good win. I think, sir, for you do the final of the season. You pay big finals, big games. Man City, Chelsea, FA Cup final at Wembley is one of the best we are waiting for. Say, you bet me, look, baby, you drew in the EPL, no. Rich, between Arsenal and Manchester City, there is no room for error. Now, Osha 2 teams in the games now, if you concentrate on Arsenal, Now Osha almost 5 games na aka Newcastle, Fulham, West Ham, Burnley, Crystal Palace. Rich, in terms of teams ni nyina. Se ode league table nimpo na eye parameter. Out of Arsenal games na aka or Premier League ni no. Team anane share dimper was the Newcastle one. And before I was game, no, I was telling myself, say Arsenal person or show the intention clear say I'm back. Only City beko total the ender. They need to beat Newcastle.
Almost started game now. Osula chance.
Yes. They need to They really need to beat Newcastle. And they got the Newcastle job done. Now, Rich, who in Newcastle floor aka Fulham home, West Ham away, Burnley home, then last day Crystal Palace away. Apart from West Ham, or more pre-relegation giddy, and so on form a year, which then suggests the game will be difficult. But Rich, this West Ham team, so Arsenal no me tijina say ye no mo game, we know we have to win by all means. They will beat them. They will beat them. Burnley there, Arsenal will win. I'm not so sure.
Burnley game there tough one na Arsenal
no
home.
Arsenal home.
Oh, okay.
They will win. Now the game against Marco Silva can be very, very complicated as a team. The Fulham team, no, they are very, very complicated. But if you need something from them, you will get it. Then the last day ourselves, imagine if Arsenal will still need to win against Crystal Palace to win the league. They will beat Crystal Palace. And for me, the Newcastle game was very, very important to Arsenal. And they make sure say omo etimi aye adwuma no. Now again, the psychological pressure unim say this weekend here you come. Arsenal bebo Fulham awie ansana Man City aboni game.
And the pressure too so.
What it means is that Arsenal win.
And they lead in the course 6.
And they are playing at home at Emirates.
Okay.
So Arsenal win that game. Arsenal City back kick any football in the EPL game no. Arsenal baby chum by 6 points. And that is something else. And also wants ever back. Look, we are Barcelona and here, no me the manusi. At the end I'll pay. Rich, the next fixtures in the La Liga, Barca equal away to Osasuna. Real Madrid ever ball against I think Espanyol. Se Barca share Osasuna say Kim. Se Real Madrid win against Espanyol, which the next game in the Spanish La Liga fixture, which will be the El Clasico, no, Real Madrid must give Barca a guard of honor because of Managerial League.
Okay.
Say Barcelona say Real Madrid so say. What it means is that in the El Clasico, say Barcelona say Real Madrid or Managerial League, no. Enti me busa a typical Barcelona fan. Obe pese obeji league, you know,
before in the next fixture.
Now Real Madrid man a guard of honor. And now say you wish they will beat Real Madrid and just after beating them now, no, and also the side of G League, you know.
And I read me yano cry. Only Barcelona ni bia bepe e classico no. Ya shari Real Madrid G League. Sai. Some of them play a league, no. Any enemy no share. Any have some as a league, no. They want that.
But Rich means me Barcelona new. I don't want.
Over percent before the class go to
do league, you know. Psychological bomb, boom. Now they are born. It's all over game, no. Oh, you said they or show cry league watch.
Barca fans more petty.
Man, a guard of honor. Look, I didn't go 7 chances are rich. You want nobody league in power. I just walk to the dressing room. Uju and no park no so me. The next team I don't know about no. I know about God of honor mo bia so wampa. What league and that's all born in some amount. Rich and him go see be anywhere say Yeah, but El Clasico. Then you fit on in Mubano. Real Madrid, Ajinaho, Asalam Yenu. Say Barcelona players no more say League ya babu boy na game you can win. What you put that? I want the God of honor for Real Madrid. Meaning say they will do the policy and say yeah good day. But at least must have decision into Chinomobo. Let the world even ridicule them for not being sportsmanship. For sportsmanship in your way. I want that kind of situation. Look, two things I'm from see. Mr. Don't push Rashford under our throat. Enya war out to you for say I'm fan on loan. Yani Rash. Don't create the impression say as a opera Rashford as some poaching. There be they are not more than from one team. You ain't nearby and say Rashibra. Look, Sir Rashford bet to know, Sir on to know. Which it depends mainly on one thing. Atletico so measure 120 million
for
Julian Alvarez.
Hey,
he's our top target.
Alvarez 120 they say.
You bet him can no man negotiate time 100. But the problem then say Barcelona is here near on rich and you see that. And we will need to go and negotiate with them. Now you're prepared for us to reach a scan. That is the more reason why player be sell Lewandowski e be manako. Say na be a misika kese na original. Ye betimi ko akasa okay. Ye dey say pay na be ma Julian Alvarez oba. Enti how negotiations be ko with Julian Alvarez? Say e kosa na ye pay na yetimi nya a very very good deal which financially can accommodate say the Manchester United Elko for Rashid to stay. We don't have any problem with that. It is so piano gidi my
Ballon de answer any people. Mon fashion to say loan party.
But that will be our first option to you.
Loan to the
because you say we loan any it means you be yes yeah. Yes, I mean another season. Yeah, this can make my before from and Sunday I'm back to the table with Sikasam. Rich. Me makacha that I say me mpa baba ku pa me person Nyankopon tie ma me. And I said Real Madrid will not get your in club. And I've given you my reason. Rich, apart from club there, coach is now made it to Mudin say Real Madrid bet me a go for no. Do baby ayo. Yes, if Florentino Perez Epe Pochettino. I'm not saying he's a bad coach. But Sir Pochettino bar the kind of rival the baby and Amroso. We will be able to deal with that. Say Maximiano Allegri money sa coaches na bobo did there say oh we will be able to deal with it a club pe and me gidi say me jano so or the Real Madrid jano a e be too much but even with that Rich say unim you in club you know him from Mainz to Dortmund to Liverpool and in the way you see in Juma club want more power. Real Madrid doesn't give you more power. For me, that is where the standoff will be. Club opetumi pa. And club doesn't really want superstars. Or a certain criteria of the funny players. Ope dia komedi omo no. Dia okasa omutie no. Dia obeye adwuma no park ne so no. Enti Sawe club and in the character. Any Real Madrid and in the character of the club in the Yomusioma. Rich, even though they see him ideally, say, a situation he is the best fit, they will have some few problems. And see, okay. I was still wish a more Real Madrid and ya or friend jogging club. Emma name back and I bet me a delay with it.
Okay, that's it.
So China Champions League.
Yeah, Champions League.
Big games. big games.
Against Ranodi.
Big games, Rich.
And you too. As a child, tell Ayala that the only reason Chelsea appreciate the Conference League is because it made Chelsea the only club in the world to win every club trophy in the world.
That's it.
And also the already on the bubble.
Oh,
on my catch was a trophy be as you imagine.
Oh, fair enough. No problem.
And the event dispute.
No, I don't have a problem with Obi. I don't have a problem with Obi opinion at all.
You know, if you know, say be a line to crash, and then person, me start with your